If you want to convert text to voice in ElevenLabs AI, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn any script into natural sounding audio using ElevenLabs step by step. This is perfect for YouTube creators, voiceover projects, faceless videos, podcasts, and anyone who wants AI generated speech fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. First, go to ElevenLabs and sign up for a free account. The free plan gives you monthly credits, which is enough to test the platform and create voice samples. Once you're signed in, you'll land in the main dashboard or playground area. This is where you'll create your voice audio. Next, go to the text box and type or paste in the script you want spoken. You can use a short sentence, a full paragraph, or even a longer voiceover script. The cleaner and more natural your text is, the better the voice output usually sounds. After that, open the voice drop-down menu and browse the voice library. ElevenLabs gives you a wide range of pre-made voices and personas, so you can choose one that matches the tone you want. You might pick something calm, energetic, professional, warm, or more dramatic depending on your content. Once you have a voice selected, click on Voice Settings to fine-tune the sound. Here you can adjust sliders like stability, clarity, and style exaggeration. Stability helps control how consistent the delivery is, clarity helps improve the overall quality and intelligibility, and style exaggeration can make the voice feel more expressive. If you want a more natural result, start with small changes and test the output. If you want a more dramatic or branded voice, experiment a little more until it matches your style. When everything looks good, click Generate. ElevenLabs will process the text and turn it into audio in just a few moments. After the voice is generated, listen to the result and make sure it sounds the way you want. If you're happy with it, click the download arrow to save the file to your device. From there, you can use it in video editing software, upload it to your project, or keep it for later use. And that's it. You've now learned how to convert text to voice in ElevenLabs AI quickly and easily. If this video helped, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.